Great news in the fight against COVID-19 tonight. A third vaccine will soon be added to our toolbox. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine now has the green light from the FDA and the CDC for emergency use. So how soon could people in our area get this vaccine? Fox 12's Bridget Chavez joins us live with that answer and more from health officials. Bridget?
Yeah, Camilla, I spoke with the Washington State Department of Health, and they say that they should have those doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine by the end of the week, and then soon after, those single-shot doses will be going into the arms of Washingtonians. Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccine is now approved for emergency use in the United States, and Washingtonians should be getting this single-dose shot into their arms by the end of the week.
The good news is that Washington's allocation for the first week of this vaccine is over 60,000 doses.
Michelle Roberts is with the Washington State Department of Health and says all three vaccines are effective and recommends you get whichever one is available when it's your turn.
Supply is still really limited, so it's not to the point yet where people can choose.
Roberts says having a third vaccine is a game changer.
Each week we have almost double the amount of vaccines being requested than we currently have with the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine. So to have over 60,000 doses of a third option coming into our state this week, it's really going to help us be able to reach people a lot more quickly.
Roberts also tells me now that there is more vaccine available, it'll be easier for people to book those coveted appointments.
It has definitely been hard to get an appointment, but the good news is supply is increasing, which is the number one reason why it's been hard.
And the number of doses Washington is receiving is increasing.
So even just a couple of weeks ago, our state allocation was only 200,000 doses a week. And then next week, we're over 290,000 doses with just the Pfizer and Moderna, and then another 60,000 doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Roberts also tells me that they're working on improving the website and the tools there to book those appointments. She says that they're working on that right now, and that should be rolled out within the next week or so. We also reached out to the Oregon Health Authority, and they say that they expect to receive 34,000 doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine this week. Reporting live in Northwest Portland, Bridget Chavez, Fox 12 Oregon.